So the way we're going to do this is we're going to do this with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is very simple. I, as the marketer, partner with a company who already has products. Now, I refer people to that company, and when people buy their products, well, that company pays me a commission. Okay, so the first thing you're going to have to do is become a partner with Legendary Marketer. Now, there's a super tiny investment, but it's like less than 10 bucks. What you're going to see here is you have the opportunity as an affiliate with Legendary Marketer to promote this particular program right here. So the cool thing is you can promote this to people on TikTok. Like if someone's scrolling through TikTok, think of it like this, and they're thinking, man, I don't know how to grow on TikTok. I don't know how to generate leads from TikTok. And they saw that there's this course that's 15-second free leads that shows you how to generate leads with TikTok, and it only costs $1. Well, you'd be probably pretty likely to take them up on that offer, right? Because you're in the mindset of growing on TikTok, and $1 is nothing, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to promote this product. What happens is when people come over here and buy this, this may only earn you a very teeny tiny commission, but what happens here is you get them into the Legendary Marketer ecosystem, and they have upsells, right? They have additional upsells that they're going to offer to the people you sent over to 15-second free leads. And when they buy the upsells, you are going to earn more of the commission. You're going to see there's some huge commission opportunities here with the Legendary Marketer affiliate program. So this is why it's such a great opportunity. I mean, I don't know if you can see these. You can earn like up to $2,800 for one sale. And that's what you do. You get people into the ecosystem with this $1 TikTok leads program, right? So what we need to do is we actually need to go ahead and create our TikTok account. Very super simple, very straightforward. Now, if you just start a new TikTok account, you're not actually going to be able to post a link in your bio. So you can't link directly to this sales page. So what you can do on TikTok is you can create, you can put your social profiles in there, right? Like you can put your YouTube channel in your TikTok profile. So what you do is you go over to YouTube and just go over to youtube.com/channel_switcher. And what you want to do is you want to create a brand new channel and call it like 15-second leads or TikTok marketing strategies or something along those lines. So create a brand new channel, use some sort of header if you want that talks about 15-second free leads. You can just do something like go over to canva.com. You don't have to be a graphic designer here. TikTok marketing. Boom. Now that's our channel art, right? So that we're going to upload that to the channel. So you just download this, upload this to the new channel that you created after you created a new channel on YouTube Channel Switcher. Well, then what you're going to do is then you're just going to shoot one video, like 2 to 3 minute video that talks about the opportunity of TikTok. Say, hey, welcome to my channel. Hey, we all know that TikTok is a huge opportunity right now because we can get a lot of views very quickly, even as a new account. If you want to learn more about how you can generate free leads for your business using TikTok, then go ahead and check out the link in the description below this video, and we'll send you over to TikTok free leads, right? So then we're going to send people over to one of two places. You can either send them directly to this sales page, or if you want, what you can do is you can actually go in the Legendary Marketer ecosystem here in the back office. And if you click on this custom funnels thing here, scroll down to the Legendary Marketer 15-second free leads template. And watch this. If you click on this right here, and what you do is you get a ClickFunnels account. After you have the ClickFunnels account, what you're going to see here is this is going to automatically import that funnel into your ClickFunnels account. You see, this is my ClickFunnels account. So I'll just say add funnel. And what that's going to do is it's allowing you to generate leads as well. So you can actually follow up with them and promote additional offers. And you can promote additional offers that are inside the Legendary Marketer ecosystem. And that's how you can also hopefully earn those high ticket commissions that we talked about earlier. So guys, that's the process of monetizing TikTok. Then what you want to do is after you have your YouTube channel linked and you have that one video with the link to the affiliate program in the description of the YouTube video, Then you just go on TikTok and you create videos that speak to the ideal customer. And what you want to use is kind of like a hook story offer approach, right? So what you might do is you might do a quick little 15-second video. Hey TikTok, if you want to generate more leads for your business, then check this out. So I was searching for a way to get more traffic to my business using TikTok, and I came across 15-second free leads. It's a great program that's going to show you the tricks to doing this. If you want to learn more, go ahead and check out my bio and go check out my YouTube channel, right? So that's going to be the strategy. And you gotta change the hook story offer up a little bit, but you just keep posting these videos because people are going to be interested in growing on TikTok. So it's super relevant. And what's going to happen here is when people see that you're offering a program that shows people how to generate leads with TikTok, what are they going to do? Because they're interested, because it's relevant, they're going to click over to your bio. And that should help your videos do much better than the typical videos. So it's kind of like a win-win situation.
My company is fortunate enough in the past few years to manage 6-figure influencer contracts. And I thought it'd be interesting to show you guys the behind the scenes of everything it takes from start to finish of closing a brand deal. So I'm gonna go over the 5 steps, tell you guys all the tips and tricks. And if you're also an aspiring influencer or content creator or freelancer, I'm gonna give you some advice that saved my ass and hopefully will save yours. All right, the 5 steps to getting a brand deal is step 1. The brand approaches you. You go into delivery mode. You ask the brand, what are they looking for? What's your budget? What's the brief? These are all questions I genuinely ask the brand when a brand approaches us. Step 2, we go into negotiation. Here's the thing. Pricing yourself is an art, not a science. So you have to understand what the brand's budget is and what your value is and try to meet in the middle. They always say for every 1,000 followers, you should charge $10, so $10 CPM. That depends on who you are and the brand too. So just keep that in mind. Step 3, we have the legal process, which I go over heavily in this video. You will see me a little stressed about it. Step 4, the creative process. This is where I negotiate with the talent about what the vibe is once we approve the budget. And step 5 is we get the video approved. So there you go. I laid it out for y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.